Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about amosit larva of Patromyzon. So in this diagram we can see the external morphology of amosit larva. Here we can see that it has a oral hood at the anterior end surrounded by upper lip and lower lip. Then there is a median nostril on the top of the head and a rudimentary eye. Then there are 7 pairs of gill slits, and at the posterior end a caudal fin, which is in continuation with a single dorsal fin. These are the salient features of amosit larva. In the life history of Patromyzon, a larval form is seen. It is called amosit larva. It is a freshwater larva. Here are the some differences that Patromyzon marinus is a marine animal, but the larva is freshwater. So the larva is found in freshwater, that is river water. Then it is transparent. It lives for 3 to 7 years. In the beginning, it is about 7 millimeter in length and attains a length of 165 millimeter at maturity. It lives in U-shaped burrows of mud. It comes out of the burrow at night for feeding, then it buries again. It has an eel-like body. It differs from the adult in several characters. The eyes are vestigial and concealed below the skin. Paired eyes are covered by thick skin. So we are saying that the eyes are vestigial and concealed below the skin because it is covered by a thick skin. Penile is well developed. Trunk has a single dorsal fin. Tail has a caudal fin which is in continuation of the dorsal fin. So here is the dorsal fin is single, whereas in Patromyzon the dorsal fin splits into 2 dorsal fins. It has no suctorial buccal funnel and teeth are also absent, whereas in Patromyzon suctorial buccal funnel is present with teeth. Around the mouth a semicircular oral hood is present. Below the mouth, short transverse lower lip is present and it has no teeth. Surrounding the mouth, buccal tentacles are present. Behind the buccal tentacles, a velum with a pair of cup-shaped muscular flaps are seen. So a velum is present in between buccal cavity and pharynx. The pharynx is associated with 7 pair of gill slits. Pharynx is continued into the esophagus posteriorly. The pharynx has an endostyle, a pair of peripharyngeal bands and hypopharyngeal groove. So it is a special character, presence of endostyle in the larva of Atromyzon. The mucus secreted by endostyle passes into the peripharyngeal grooves of the pharynx. Then the food particles like unicellular algae, bacteria enter with the in current of water and entangled with the mucus. Thus the food associated with mucus carried into the esophagus from the pharynx because of muscular movement of velum and pharynx. It exhibits filter feeding. It feeds on small food particles which are carried into pharynx by means of current of water maintained by the velum and the pumping movement of the pharynx. Liver, bile duct and gallbladder are present in amosit larva. Trunk has 7 pairs of gill slits just behind the head. The respiratory current goes into the pharynx through mouth and comes out through the gill slits. Heart with pericardium is present and protonephric kidney is present. So these are the features of the amosit larva. Thank you very much.